Hi everyone. Welcome back to Smart Architectural Programming. Today, we're diving into a practical and highly useful project, an expense tracker. This app will help you track your income and expenses, and even display charts for insightful analysis. We'll be using Python with Flask for the backend and JavaScript with chart.js for the front end. Let's get started. First, let's set up our project environment. We'll need Flask for the backend and chart.js for rendering charts on the front end. Bash commands. Create a virtual environment. Activate the virtual environment on Windows. On Mac or Linux. Install Flask. Install other necessary libraries. Let's start with setting up our backend using Flask. We'll create a simple REST API to manage our expenses and income. Create a file named app.py. Run the following commands to initialize the database. Now, let's move to the front end. We'll create a simple HTML page and use JavaScript with chart.js to display our data. Create an index.html file. Create a script.js file. Add the following code to script.js to fetch the data and display it using chart.js. That's it for our expense tracker app. You've learned how to set up a Flask backend, create a REST API, and use chart.js to display data. This project is a great way to practice full-stack development and create something useful. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Smart Architectural Programming for more tutorials. See you in the next video.